Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today we're at the Keystone Rapids Trailhead right off Keystone. We're going to take a walk and enjoy this nice, beautiful morning. Nestled in the heart of Michigan's natural beauty, this trail promises stunning views, wildlife, and maybe a dash of adrenaline if you decide to kayak. And join us as we explore this landscape along the roaring rapids of Keystone Rapids Trailhead. It's great for families. It's easy to navigate. We really enjoy coming out here. And just about 20 feet off of the main parking lot, you can see water already. We've had a lot of rain lately, so the water is high. Look how fast it's moving too. Now the Boardman will run all the way to downtown Traverse City, so you can actually put kayaks in and go all the way to downtown. They do advise you stay on the trail because there is poison ivy present. Oh, it was all chipmunk. This trail is about 75 feet off of the main road, but as you keep going, you actually hear less and less of the traffic. It just rained last night, so everything is still pretty damp. It is an unpaved path, mostly dirt and clay. Let's go this way. This is such a great path to take, especially in the fall with all the fall colors. There's different ways you can navigate through. You can take your bike on it. I thought it said no bikes, but it said bikes this way, so I guess bring a bike. We just took a small turn and now we are heading this way. You can hear the birds over there. The path is about 3 feet wide. You could walk two side by side in some spots. Here's another little overlook of the Boardman. And then up here we have the bridge. It's a great place to bring a picnic or just relax in the shade. Has a nice bench. I would actually say this is almost like an overlook. I don't know if it's a bridge. It's so peaceful out here. Hey, have you subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next Traverse City Guide. All right, we are now just leaving the little overlook and we're gonna head down this hill and see what else we got. All right, we're at the bottom of the hill. getting closer to the water. Right here you can actually go down. Let's check it out. Almost ran into a big spider. Whoops. We are at the bottom. Boardman right now. Nice little kayak launch. It is so beautiful down here. All right, let's head back up. So this trail continues for miles, so you can actually stay on this trail and continue down that way, and it is really easy to navigate. But we are going to head back. Unfortunately, I was one of the first ones on the trail this morning, so I got a lot of cobwebs on me. So if you're an early riser and you make your way out here, expect to be hit in the face with a few cobwebs. But if you're an outdoor person like me, it's not going to bother you. There are so many trails around Traverse City. One of our favorites is actually behind the Old State Hospital by Building 50. They have sprawling trails up there. We are headed back to where we began at the Keystone Trailhead. And the sun is just poking up right now. I love the smell of the air in the morning. These little signs are nice. They look like they're newer. Looks like they might be working on that trail over there. So they have a little redirect here. And it's kept up well too. We have seen some small wildlife like rabbits, chipmunks, and out by the Brown Bridge quiet area, we've actually seen deer as well. You can tell we're getting closer to our parked car because we actually hear the traffic a lot more as you get closer to the road. And that wraps up our tour of Keystone Rapids Trailhead. There's where we began. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. We hope this quick little tour along the Keystone Rapids Trailhead was informative. You enjoyed the sights, the sounds. Again, until next time, thank you for watching. I'm Justin.